Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Don't mind the robe. Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep and make money in my sleep. I've just planted some trades on VIT 75. Yeah, so we'll see and I'll tell you about the analysis. Pardon my face, guys. Just woke up, heading for a jog in the morning. Yeah, so I just made millions, guys. I made a lot of millions. No, I'm just joking. I just made 1,500. But yeah, still, in my sleep, it still counts as something. So I'm gonna run you through the trades. What was my thought process? What I was thinking throughout the trade, and why I took the trade. Yeah, we're gonna go into the charts as soon as I get done with my morning run. Otherwise, yeah, leave a like or subscribe. That would be really helpful. Leave a like, comment where you're watching the video from. Let's interact. What do you want me to do next? What do you want to see on this channel? Yeah, guys. Otherwise, let's go to the charts. So yeah, guys, welcome to the charts. So this is a video I made earlier on, but unfortunately, there was no volume, rather. So pardon me if you look at it and it shows like a media player. Otherwise, I had made a full-blown 6-minute video that was talking about how I analyze the market. So this zone here on top, this zone represents the daily resistance. So if you have noticed, VIX 75 has been moving in a downtrend. Okay, so the time I entered these trades, the market was somewhere here. Let me just show you. The market was somewhere here, somewhere there. So what I waited for, I marked this zone because when the market came up, coming from the downside, this side, it made a turn going to the downside. So I said, okay, if this level is to be valid, it has to be retested again and rejected, then momentum should shift. And exactly that's what happened. So I printed a zone here from the previous candle. This strategy is also called what we call order blocks, or supply and demand zones. So basically that's what I was looking at. So when I marked this level here, my thought process was, as soon as I see the market touch here, if there's any form of rejection, which there was this week right here, then after that, a shift in momentum, which was this bearish candle to the downside. So I entered my first trade. Okay, thank you. Sorry guys, that's my son in the background. He's giving me some food. Yes. Okay, thank you, Sonny. I'll get later. Okay. So when the market broke through this level, I entered my first 2 trades here. Market pushed down. Then when the market came back somewhere here, it had made this zone here. If you notice, this zone here came back, retested that zone, rejected that zone. That means this zone is a valid zone. Switching momentum again with this candle right here, this one here. Then market continued to the downside. I entered more trades here. That's when I went to sleep. By the time I woke up, the market was near my stop loss. Yeah, that's how I started manually closing out the trades. As you remember, guys, market moves in the same way: down, up, down, up, down, just like that. And oh, I remember somebody asked me, how do you know that the market has now reversed and is going to a different side? So with this strategy, when the market goes down, up, retraces, goes down, retraces back up, goes down. So this is a zone created, right? So if the market breaks this zone, comes back to retest it on this other side, I can consider this, depending on the candlesticks that are printed here, I can consider this to be a reversal. But I usually prefer this zone up here. If this zone is broken, retested, then say there are some candlestick patterns that I've noticed that, okay, on this part the candlesticks have rejected, then I can now look for buys. Otherwise, when I do my analysis, I always have a bias in mind, and when I have that bias, I wait for setups to form. When the setups form, then I enter into a trade. So yeah, that was the analysis, guys. Nothing fancy to it. Other than that, it was a very simple analysis. So yeah, leave a comment where you guys watching from. What do you trade? Let me know. Maybe I can make a video on that, but I usually prefer trading one thing. So but yeah, just let me know where you are watching the video from. Let's interact, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Peace.
You had to eat in the video.